Another day, another story. Hello and welcome to this video on the topic of global warming and its effects on our planet. Global warming, also known as climate change, refers to the long-term increase in Earth's average surface temperature. This is primarily caused by the increase in greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, mainly carbon dioxide, which is primarily caused by human activities such as burning fossil fuels. In this video, we will discuss the various effects of global warming that are already happening around the world and the potential consequences if we do not take action to mitigate climate change. So, let's get started. Effects of global warming. 1. Rising temperatures. One of the most obvious effects of global warming is rising temperatures. The average global temperature has increased by about 1.1 degrees Celsius since the pre-industrial era, and this trend is expected to continue. Rising temperatures have led to heat waves, droughts, and wildfires in many parts of the world. These extreme weather events can cause significant damage to agriculture, infrastructure, and public health. Sea level rise. Another significant effect of global warming is the rise in sea levels. As temperatures rise, glaciers and ice caps melt, and this water flows into the oceans, causing sea levels to rise. This can cause flooding in coastal areas, which can damage property, displace people, and harm wildlife habitats. If we do not take action to mitigate climate change, sea levels could rise by several meters, which could have catastrophic consequences. Extreme weather events. Global warming is also causing more frequent and severe extreme weather events such as hurricanes, cyclones, and typhoons. These storms can cause extensive damage to infrastructure, homes, and businesses, and can also lead to loss of life. In addition, extreme weather events can cause food and water shortages, which can lead to social unrest and political instability. Changing ecosystems. Global warming is causing ecosystems around the world to change. This is because many plants and animals are adapted to specific climate conditions, and as temperatures change, these conditions change as well. For example, some plant species may start to grow in areas where they did not previously grow, while others may not be able to survive in their current habitats. This can lead to changes in food webs and ecosystems, which can have far-reaching consequences for the environment and human societies. Ocean acidification. Global warming is also causing the oceans to become more acidic. This is because as carbon dioxide levels rise, more of it dissolves in the oceans, causing the pH levels to drop. This can harm marine life, especially shellfish and coral, which rely on a specific pH range to survive. In addition, ocean acidification can also harm the food chain, as many organisms depend on shellfish and coral for food. Spreading diseases. Global warming is causing the spread of diseases and pests that were previously restricted to specific regions. This is because as temperatures rise, these pests and diseases are able to survive in areas where they previously could not. For example, ticks that carry Lyme disease are now found in areas where they were not previously found, and mosquitoes that carry malaria are now found at higher altitudes. This can lead to increased health risks for humans and animals. Economic impacts. Finally, global warming is having significant economic impacts around the world. Extreme weather events can cause significant damage to infrastructure, homes, and businesses, which can cost billions of dollars to repair. In addition, changes in ecosystems can affect industries such as agriculture and fishing, which can harm local economies. Finally, the transition to renewable energy and other mitigation efforts can also have economic impacts, both positive and negative. In conclusion, it is clear that global warming is already having significant effects on our planet, and these effects are only going to become more severe in the future if we do not take action to mitigate climate change. Rising temperatures, sea level rise, extreme weather events, changing ecosystems, ocean acidification, the spread of diseases, and economic impacts are just some of the effects that we are already seeing around the world. It is important that we take action now to reduce our greenhouse gas emissions, transition to renewable energy sources, and implement other mitigation measures to limit the impacts of global warming. This will require cooperation and action from individuals, businesses, and governments around the world. While the challenges posed by global warming are significant, it is also important to remember that we have the power to make a difference. By taking action now, we can help ensure a better future for ourselves and future generations. Thank you for watching, and please share this video with others to raise awareness about the effects of global warming. Thanks for watching.